Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we have an Ipsy February unboxing, so let's get in and see what they sent us this month. So guys, if you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Belinda. I am a self-taught mature makeup artist here on YouTube, and if you like unboxings, tutorials, and reviews, please make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. If you don't know about Ipsy, Ipsy is a monthly makeup subscription box, and you can choose from 1 to 3 different boxes. The first box is the Ipsy Glam bag, which is $14, and you get 5 full-size or deluxe size items in that one. The next one is the Glam bag plus, and that one is $30, and you get 5 full-size items in that box. And then the next box is the Icon box. And in that box, you get up to 8 full-size items in that box. And it is also every 3 months that you get the Icon box. And then you can also shop inside of the Ipsy app. So let's jump in and see what they sent us this month. This month it's a self-love affair. February 2024, roses are red, violets are blue, this month of love, and we say, you do you. Sleep in for an extra hour, take yourself on a date, spoil yourself with beauty you've been coveting, especially from some of the stellar black-owned brands we're spotlighting. Do whatever makes you feel apologetically yourself, because after all, you're the love of your life. And that is so true. So that is this month's theme. Look at the pretty bag. Oh, and it's got a heart on it for Valentine's Day. Oh, and we got a pink brush, and it does have 3 little sequin diamonds in it. That looks like a little nice brush. We'll use that. So that's one thing that came out of that. And I really like the bag. It's kind of textured. And it's like silk. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this was all that was in that. Oh. Okay, so we got hair repair treatment mask by this brand. I can't say that word. And then we got, that'll be nice because my hair's so dry. Then we got the Vitamin Boost Plumping Primer. And this is by Ciate London. We'll open that in 1 second. And then we got the Probiotic Moisturizer by Feel. And I don't know if I showed you this one. So we got those 4 things in that bag. Okay, so that is the Glam bag. Now let's get into the Glam bag plus. Oh, I think this was in the Glam bag. Paranova eyeshadow palette. I must have laid it down when I picked it up out of the Glam bag. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's real cute. I probably will not use this, but I will put it into a giveaway. So that was 5 full-size items, or not full-size, trial-size items, guys, in the Glam bag. Okay, so for the Glam bag plus, let's see what we got in it. We got the Ultra Glow Lip Oil by Eloise. That's cute. I like the doe foot applicator. We'll use it. No smell. Well, it smells a little fruity. And then we got the MAC Lash Dry Shampoo Mascara Refresher. Shampooing Hit refresh on your mascara. Apply over set mascara to revive your lashes. No makeup remover needed. Oh, wow. Look at the component. That's pretty cool. Oh, and there's the teeth. That's got a lot of long teeth on it. I cannot wait to use that. I have the Polar Ox Sources Ice Source Ultra Moisturizing Mask with iceberg water. That sounds pretty cool. Let's see what it looks like. Oh wow, that smells really, really good. I've enjoyed a lot of the things that Ipsy has sent me as far as skincare lately. The next thing is naturally advanced formulation to support your skin. This is Biological Beauty by Grown Alchemist. Skin Renewal Day Cream. Grown Alchemist is in a lot of the Ipsy stuff, but I can use the day cream. Oh, it's green just like the tube. Not much of a smell, but that's a nice little skin treat. Last thing we have is an eyeshadow palette by Ace Beauty. Mystic Romance. I love Ace Beauty, and I hope this is real pretty for Valentine's Day. Oh, I love the packaging. I don't think I've seen this one. Mystic Romance. Oh, how pretty. That's nice. That's really nice. So let's do a look. Let me prime my eyes and I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, I'm back. I have on my eye primer and I did some swatches of this palette for you. This is a really pretty palette. This is the first two rows. So here's the first row. Here's the second row. I love that color, this color, that color. This is a skin tone shade. And then we have this last row. And this is so pretty. That one right there. But I think I know what colors I'm going to work out of, but those are really pretty. I have not washed my brushes, guys, so I have switched them, but they're not washed. So I think the first color I want to go in with is Rose. I'm so glad that we got a Valentine's-like palette in the box this month. So I'm going to go in with that rose shade and we're going to build the crease. I've got hairs floating around everywhere. So today is Valentine's Day, guys. I want you to know I hope you've had a happy Valentine's Day. It's just another day for me. Nothing special. Okay, now that I have that down, I think I'm going to go into, the next color is Mystic, that one right there. And it's this one right here. It's like a dark purple, dark plum. So I'm going to put that out here in the outer third. And that's going to be our depth. And then I'm going to bring it into the crease shade. About halfway. Now I'm going to switch brushes. Right, now that that is laid down nicely, I'm going to do the other side and then we'll be right back. Okay, now that we have that color down on both eyes, now we're going to continue. I think I'll go into Fog, that purple, and we're going to put Fog right here in the front. of that deep purple that we put down. Okay, we're going to take this color, which is Starry. We're going to put it right here in front. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I turned my light down because somebody said they couldn't see. But I'm having trouble seeing the stuff. Okay, let me do this other side. I want to add a little bit of light to that. I'm going to go into my Inslee Rain Cold Moon palette. I'm going to go into Snow Fairies. This one right here. And I'm going to put that in the front. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this skin tone shade. And I'm just going to take it right above, just to clean up a little bit of that pink. Make it look more smooth. Okay, now I'm going to clean up, put on a wing, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. I have put on the lashes in Flirt by the Bright Lashes. For the bottom waterline, I put in the Royal Full Spectrum Liner by Makeup Geek. And so now we're going to go in to this color right here. This fuchsia color. And I'm going to take the Nikki Rose in 11. And we're going to put that under the bottom waterline. I'm going to pick up my Rephr 13 and blend. And then I'm going to go back into the Ace Beauté palette and I'm going to pick up this skin tone shade. Just to kind of clean that up just a bit. Brush again, and I'm going to dip into that first or the second color I used, and that is Mystic. We're going to put that right, keep it out here in the outer part of the bottom waterline. There we go. Okay guys, I am back. I put on Share Lip Pencil and the Hydra Matte Lipstick in Mile High for my lip. And we're going to put on some highlighter. I'm going to go in with Grace by Gerard Cosmetics. And I did spray my face with Slay All Day setting spray, and there will be a link to Gerard Cosmetics in the description box. Also a link to Blend Bunny Cosmetics in the description box. And for my blush today, it was Blend Bunny Cosmetics, the Bare Cheeks palette in Love Me and Stripped. Those two. So let's go through what I used so far. So we got the eyeshadow palette in the Glam bag. This brush in the Glam bag, the $13 Glam bag, and I did use this brush with, you know, just being a dry brush to clean up with, and it worked great. And then we got the, let me open it up. This is a face primer. I did not know that, so I didn't use it today, but I will use it. Let's see what the consistency is. And this is by Ciate London. This is the color of it. Let's rub it in and see what it looks like, since I forgot to use that. Well, actually, I already had my face done, so I didn't forget. It smells really good. It smells like watermelon. So there's that. And then we also got the hair repair treatment. That's going to be nice. So that was a decent bag. And we got this palette that I'll be giving away. So that was our Glam bag. Then for our Glam Bag Plus, we got this mascara. Then we got the Eye Source Ultra Moisturizing Cream. Oh, and we also got that Glow Alchemist moisturizer. And then we got this palette, which it performed nice. Ace Beauty has a real good formula, and it's reasonably priced. What did you think of my box? And I also got this lip oil. What did you think of my box that I got? And did you get the Ipsy box this month? Which one did you choose? You can choose from 3 different sizes. And I will be opening the creator box in a separate video. So if you would like to see what come in that box, then please make sure you hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss it. So guys, that is the end of this video. Let me know what was one of your favorite things that you've seen that I unboxed. And did you get it in your box? And if not, if you don't get Ipsy and you would like to try Ipsy, let me know in the comments. I have a link down in my description where you can sign up. It is affiliated, so I do make a small, very small commission when you sign up. And that just helps me to repurchase makeup to review for you here on YouTube. So guys, if you liked this unboxing and this tutorial, let me know down in the comments. And make sure you hit thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss an upload. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.